Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now here's the key. The way to open it, you have to focus on the notch at the bottom right corner. Yep, that one right over there. For that you will need a small flathead screwdriver, one that is just thick enough to go in this notch there. If you have a bigger one, it won't work. A small one is what you need, something like the one I'm showing here. Put it in that slot and twist it, and it'll loosen it up. And now one more twist in the back part there, and that should pry it open. Get the remote part out of the key shell. And in order to open this, you can either use a screwdriver, or it's easy, you can just use your fingernails if you like. We have to pry that white part off of the black part there, and the battery is right there on the white part. To get the battery out now, grab the screwdriver again and put it in that slot where I'm putting it over there, and then pry it out. Yep, there it is. There's the battery. Let's take a closer look at it. That's the negative side. The positive side has a symbol on it, the plus sign on it, and it even has the battery number on it, CR1620. Get the new CR1620 battery, and when we put it in, we're going to put it with the positive side facing downwards, the negative side up, just like that. Get it in position, push it in. That's not going anywhere. Now get the other part of the remote, align it over there with it, and press them together. The four clips on the white part, they should all clip on. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is looking good. Now let's put the remote part back into the key shell. Goes in there. And now let's get the other part on. Align it and just press it together, and it will clip right on. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.